There's a couple of reasons for it. The most common one is that the aerator, which is that little screen that goes in the end of your faucet, or if you have a pull-out faucet with a sprayer on it, that little filter in that spray head gets clogged with debris. If you notice that the hot water and the cold water pressure are both low, then it's probably right there in that screen. You can take the aerator off of a gooseneck faucet. You can disconnect the spray hose from the head, rinse that out. Sometimes it helps to wash it in some vinegar, let it sit for a little while, and get any garbage out of it. If it's just one or the other, let's say you have plenty of hot but not enough cold, it can't be in that spray head or that hose because something on the other side is already coming past. At that point, you could, if you're so inclined, you could shut off the hot and cold valves below the sink. There's going to be little hoses that run up to the faucet. You could disconnect those, dump them in a bucket, and turn them on one at a time and see if you get proper water flow out of those. If you do, then the problem is inside the faucet body itself. Generally, taking out cartridges and things like that is something I'd recommend a plumber for. Almost anybody can get the little screens off or unscrew the spray head. But if you have to take the handle off and disassemble parts of the faucet, you should probably let a plumber do that because it can get a little weird on you. If you take off either of those hoses and you don't get the pressure you expect out of either of those hoses, then you're going to need a plumber because now it's not even in the kitchen cabinet, it's in the wall or in the floor, and something's clogging up the supply lines.